Good afternoon, class. This is a BBA 6th semester specialization paper of HRD, and I am teaching you HRD. That's means of human resource development. We have to last classes we have covered topic of what is human resource development and what is training, what is the requirement of training, what is the method of training. We have to cover that, and now we have come on appraisal. So that there are two types of appraisal. First, potential appraisal, and second, performance appraisal, and one another is merit ratings. Merit ratings is a very ancient times. We have to use this form of evaluation of the employee performance, but nowadays we have used to the performance appraisal in a modern methods. But first we have to know about what is the potential appraisal. Potential, everybody knows that what is potential. Potential means capabilities of the employee or workers or anybody. So that potential, any employee or any workers, what is his potential, his organization will be known that, so that how to utilize in a proper way. So that it's called potential. Potential is the very important part of the any organization of any employee, because because organization is totally depend on employees. So potential is a very important part of the any organization. So firstly, we know that definition of the potential appraisal. So potential appraisal is a process of determining an employee strength and weaknesses with a view to use this is a predictor to his future performance. And second definition is potential appraisal is a future oriented appraisal aimed to identify and evaluate the potential of the employee. It assumes his responsibilities of the related to organization. And what is the need of potential appraisal? So that first we will know that what is the need of the potential appraisal. So first need is created an environment of competitiveness. Created an environment of competitiveness. Competitiveness for better performance. Performance. Second need is the boosting the morale boosting the morale and motivation of employees. And lastly, attracting and retaining best talent. Attracting and retaining best talent. So that there are three basic needs of the potential appraisal. First, created an environment of competitiveness for a better performance, because a atmosphere of competition, there is a performance will be good come out. And second, boosting the morale and motivation of employee. Morale, we have know that in second semester we have discussed of the morale. What is a morale? Morale is an inner feeling of the any employee, because your morale is high, then you will be achieved to any target or any goals will be easily. But your morale is down, then you will not achieve your target or goal is a easy way. And motivation. Motivation is an important part of the any organization or any employee, because any employee will be demotivated, he will be not get their performance on up to the mark. So that they will be motivated and self-motivated, so he will be get the performance of the up to the mark. And third, attracting and retaining best talent. And there is last of the need of the potential appraiser, retaining and attracting best talent. Means we have to attract and retain of the best employee in the organization, because best employee in the organization, he will be produce best deliver of the work of the himself, and then will be encourage of the workers and employee on the organization. Next, purpose of potential appraisal. What is the main purpose? Firstly, we will know that what is the need and what is the potential appraisal, and next now we will know that about the purpose. What is the purpose of potential appraisal? to advise employee to their work. And fourth, to enable the organization to draft. And last, motivate the employee to further develop their skills. So that what is the main purpose of the potential appraisal? There is a main 5 purpose of the potential appraisal. First, to inform employee for their future prospects. Firstly, we have to inform the employee of the future prospect of the organization. What is the organization will we do on a next coming months or coming year? What is the prospect of the organization? So we'll be informed that it is the first purpose of the potential appraisal. Second, to update training and recruitment activities. Secondly, we have to recruit and develop training activities regularly on a demanding of our employees and workers. Third, to advise employee to their work. We have to advise our employees to do their work on a time basis, which has be completed on a time schedule. And next, fourth is to enable the organization to draft, and organization to be draft of the work of the employee or workers in the organization. And last, to motivate the employee to develop further their skills, and we have to motivate the employee to develop their further skills for the future prospects of the organization. Okay, thank you. We have to discuss in next class of performance appraisal. Okay, thank you.